Today, we are going to learn how to use OCR with OpenCV to read forms and receipts. Yes, OCR, Optical Character Recognition, means your computer can actually read text from images. Imagine scanning a receipt and your program tells you the total amount, the date, or even the store name automatically. No typing, no mistakes, just smart automation. So here's the idea. OpenCV helps us process the images so the text is clear, and then an OCR engine like Tesseract extracts the text. Pre-processing is key. Cleaning the image, converting it to grayscale, thresholding or removing noise makes the text much easier for OCR to recognize. Step 1. Install OpenCV, NumPy and Tesseract using PIP. Step 2. Load your image or scan a receipt using your webcam or smartphone. Step 3. Convert the image to grayscales using OpenCV's CVT color function. Grayscale makes text detection faster and more accurate. Step 4. Apply thresholding to highlight the text and reduce background noise. You can use simple thresholding or adaptive thresholding depending on the image quality. Step 5. Optionally apply blurring or morphological operations to smooth edges and remove unwanted artifacts. Step 6. Pass the processed image to Tesseract using pytesseract.i image to string. This function reads the text from the image and returns it as a string you can print or save. You can also extract specific fields using Python, string, functions, or regular expressions. Let's make it more interactive and fun. Imagine scanning a restaurant's receipt. The program reads the date and items and the total amount automatically. You can even make it smarter by highlighting the text areas in real time using OpenCV rectangles. It's like giving your computer a pair of reading glasses. Why is this useful? OCR is used in automated invoicing, data entry, document scanning, and even smart apps for the visually impaired. Instead of manually typing information from forms, your program does it instantly and accurately. Some tips. High contrast images work best. Avoid blurry or tilted images. If your receipt has fancy fonts or logos, pre-processing and tuning the OCR parameters is crucial. Also ensure Tesseract is properly installed and added to your system path. So to sum up, load the image processes with OpenCV, pass it to Tesseract and extract text. Your computer can now read forms, invoices or receipts automatically. And that's OCR with OpenCV for forms and receipts. Your computer just became a digital assistant for reading text. And if you liked it, don't just share at your receipts. Look at the subscribe button and click and like it.